have a test cases in Microsoft Word, that can also be imported in the RQM using this plugin only.
And these are the few tools, IBM tools can be integrated with RQM, and RQM has out of the box integration for these tools. As I was telling you, the Requisite Pro is a requirement management tool, can be integrated, and DOS is also requirement management, can be integrated with RQM, and Rational Change and ClearQuest, other rational testing tools, RFT, RPT, AppScan. AppScan is a security test tool. Robo is also a test automation tool. And Rational Quality Manager can be also integrated with Selenium, which is open source unit testing tool. And we have Rational Quality Manager integration with BuildForce as well. BuildForce is basically a build management tool, but nowadays it is got replaced with RTC. RTC has the capabilities of ClearQuest, capabilities of BuildForce, and capabilities of Rational Change. So all these three capabilities incorporated in a single product, which is called Rational Change Console. And OSLC integration. What is this OSLC integration? Is a open services for lifecycle collaboration. Is a set of standards, and these standards are obeyed by different vendors. For example, we have different vendors like HP, IBM, and they are agreed upon sort of standards they should follow, so that whenever different products needs to be collaborated or integrated, can easily integrated using OSLC standards. For example, you have a scenario, okay, you want to use your test management tool from IBM, and you want to use your defect management tool from HP. Then you have an option to integrate both of them, together using OSLC integration. Okay. And these specifications allow confirming independent software and product lifecycle tools to integrate their data and workflows in support to end-to-end lifecycle processor. And this is one more important thing. As we saw in the previous slide, these integrations are out of the box. And there is one more adapter called command line adapter. This is a generic adapter, and you can integrate with any other tool. Okay, so it's a simple thing. You need to start the adapter in the target machine, and this adapter is available in the installation directory of RQM. Is a zip file. You can put this zip file in a target machine where your custom tool is there, and start the adapter, and you can create an executable program and execute. It's simply how it works is, okay, you have your tester machine. From the tester machine, you pass your set of commands to your target machine, and target machine is having custom tool. Provided your custom tool should support a command line interface. I'll give a simple example, like if you take IBM RFT tool, you can execute your scripts using playback option provided on the Eclipse window. And also there is another option, you can use a command to invoke or to playback a particular script. So you can pass that particular command from the tester machine to a target machine to tell the target machine, okay, execute this particular script on my target machine. So your job is done. So there is no need of out of the box integration, as long as your in-house tool or your custom tool supports command line interface. So the next part would be taken from